have songs, picture books, supplemental visuals to share with children, a cookie sheet visual schedule, music videos to share with parents, additional learning activities in your picture books to offer across the day, instructional video models for you to watch and learn how to share each book and song, a Sing.Play.LOVE coach to support you every step of your learning journey, and a launchpad where you can access everything you need to get started online. Here are our Sing.Play.LOVE fidelity practices we hope you will pledge to fulfill. We want Sing.Play.LOVE time to be an opportunity for your children to interact through music, play, books, laughter, and time spent with you. They love your face and believe you are the best singer in the world. Be sure to share your singing voice and your most fun and exuberant self. We ask that you refrain from using the music videos as a substitution for Sing.Play.LOVE time. That time is special for your children and you. Use a visual schedule for your music time. Embedding this schedule within your daily schedule is an evidence-based practice and is beneficial for providing comfort and predictability for your children. The practice can be uniquely beneficial for some of your children who may be anxious or impulsive. Sing 2 songs each day, 1 song you know well, and 1 song that you are learning. Always utilize one of these strategies during your Sing.Play.LOVE songs and books. Add motions, signed words, or dancing. These are all modeled in your instructional videos. Add visuals. Many are provided to you with the program. You may want to add others that you create. Add manipulatives. Assemble a kitchen band from the plastic bowls, pots, and pans in your kitchen. Add some wooden spoons or spatula drumsticks. Or put some bandanas to work as scarves so you can move rhythmically as you sing your stories. What other objects can you dream up to utilize as you sing and play? Choose a Sing.Play.LOVE picture book and targeted skill to share for an entire month. Share that book in a variety of fun ways, 3 times per week, and give your children the chance to practice the targeted skill across the activities and environments of their day. Keep your Sing.Play.LOVE time to less than 20 minutes. 1s and 2s may need less than 5 minutes as you begin the program with them. We want children to be able to transition to a child-directed activity after their Sing.Play.LOVE time is all done. Partner with parents to teach your targeted skills at home as well as school. Generalization is a child's opportunity to use skills they learn in a variety of new and different environments. Talk to your children about the things they experience all day long so they can master the language and behaviors you are teaching. Tell children when they are being safe, like the Being Me characters in our book. Let them sort objects by color in your play centers to accompany What Color Am I book. Make the fun sounds and signs included in My Kitchen Door book during snack time, as you also practice signing and saying words for manners. And finally, my mantra is, teach less stuff, more better. Ultimately, you are going to be able to teach more deeply a shorter list of goals, and that is a good thing. Focus on those key skills researchers identified for school success: receptive language, the ability to understand words; visual memory, remembering and recalling information, such as activities, pictures, or words that a child has viewed previously; cooperation, which is simply the process of working together; and self-control. What else would you like to teach? Think about your children and the skills that they need. You know them best. You are the experts of the children in your classroom, so expand upon those goals that you have for your children in a variety of fun ways, using Sing.Play.LOVE.
Every child deserves the right start. Sing.Play.LOVE. Come for the fun. Stay for the learning.
Sing, play, love.